I'm just wondering what the score of the game is so far.
Terry,
you know,
2 coats.
the football game that I'm missing. You're doing a mighty fine job. Hey, can you paint my place when you get done?
I actually probably owe you that.
Wax on, wax off. You must have watched that movie years ago.
Yes,
or I don't know. I'm a little bit older than you, I think, but not sure.
Oh yeah, it's going great.
Yes, 2 coats is the way to go on this wall.
Yeah.
It looks really nice, and gloss white.
Do you think we'll be able to do it with just the 2?
Yes.
I hope so.
I think you'll be fine.
I hope so.
Yes, you're putting on nice and even, Steven,
Yeah.
not too
I'm trying.
hard on that second coat, because then we might
Get drips or something?
yeah, well, drips, or you might brush off too much of the paint, and then you have to do a 3rd coat, because we didn't put any primer on. We just put 2 coats of
Right.
finish over the existing paint.
Right.
And it's gonna work. It'll work,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, for sure. And we're gonna have shoes in front of it
Okay.
anyway,
Keep it going.
but okay.
Yeah. You want me to work and get my paintbrush up there. But you know what? I told you I had something exciting to tell you that I think you might be excited about. And I
Okay.
wanted to see the whites of your eyes
Okay,
when
tell
I
me.
tell you to see. And that's going to tell me whether or not you think it's a good idea or not. Okay?
Can I
And
guess
I was,
first?
huh? You want to guess?
Yeah.
Okay, guess.
Tom Selleck's gonna appear.
Oh, God. How did you know?
I
No.
like the paint.
You like Tom Selleck? He's a relic.
Handsome relic.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead. What's your
No, I know you said your passion. Your passion is what? You want to design
Yeah.
clothes,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So I had an idea. And I got to see the whites of your eyes when I tell you. I am thinking, what would you think if you designed some stuff, and I pay you for it, you designed some clothes for Video Joe with Video Joe's name on it, for hats, and some cool logo, a cool logo or something,
Yes.
and maybe some different things on there, and then even maybe some a cool work shirt with, you know, I mean, I don't know. Some things could be for guys, some things could be for girls, with my name on there. And
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think?
Well, I think it's important. I do think it's important to have your name on there, just because when people are watching you, they can see, oh, it's VideoJoeKnows, and I'm into shameless self-promotion. I mean,
Well, yeah, it's going to have my website on there and how I can help them. Maybe
Yeah.
different sayings.
The only thing though is, especially when it comes to your hats,
Yeah.
I think that you could monetize by getting a promoter to also sponsor you, because you look great in that Lowe's hat. I love it. And
Okay.
so I think that you could do that. But for the shirts, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, navy blue.
Yes.
Yeah, have your website blue.
That's. How did you know that's my favorite color? I've never told you that
Hello,
before.
I'm a
Hello.
psychic shoe girl.
Okay. All right. So you sort of like the idea.
Oh, I know. I love the idea, but you don't have to pay me. I'm going to help you.
What do you mean? Forget you.
Okay.
Because you're gonna
How about a
design.
white stripe?
You're gonna design some shirts for me that have never been designed before.
Oh.
You know, stuff like that.
Okay, you
and
better
they
be
can
careful,
have
okay,
and they
so
can
you
have
can
my
get
name
rid of
on
it.
it.
Uh-huh.
And you're gonna have to do some hats for me. You know, something. And I need a logo, some cool logo. You know,
Yeah.
a branded type logo, so when somebody sees that, they know it's Video Joe,
Exactly. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll talk more about it.
I want to come up with something funny, Joe. Just letting you know.
What?
You should go to a professional for this one. Okay, I'll be serious.
And you know, I've got a name for you too.
What's that?
I maybe I shouldn't put it on YouTube.
What's that?
Your design name, your clothing design name.
Hot biscuit?
Nope.
What's that?
Should I say it? Okay, I'll say it, and then I can edit it out.
Yeah, you can say it.
Ted's.
Ted's?
T-E for Terry.
Yeah.
E-D for Edmonds.
Uh-huh.
And S for
Sassy.
ownership. Sassy there. Ted's.
I don't know. It's not very girly.
No? Okay.
Maybe for some guys.
All right.
I'm
Enough.
gonna paint some more.
Yes, enough of my
I'm
ideas.
applying paint to the walls.
Yes, get back to work, will you? Because, you know, we got to get done tonight, remember?
No.
Okay.
Yay.